Hi everyone, meet Antboy, my Gameboy emulator. It's customizable, user-friendly, and built in modern C++. Today in this demo, I'll showcase its core features. Let's begin with the UI. Buttons animate when selected, and when menus have more than 9 items, the cursor scrolls with the progress bar. Pressing back jumps the cursor to the back button. Now let's move on to the Gameboy Emulation. ROMs in the Insert ROMs menu reflect real-time changes made in the ROMs folder. Select a ROM to start emulation. An optional bootstrap animation will play after the ROM is loaded. Here you can see gameplay of Tetris DX, undeniably the greatest retro game of all time. Battery-packed games like Tetris give you the option to save progress with save files, allowing you to continue from where you left off. Next, let's explore customizations. Within the general settings, you can adjust the emulation speed, toggle the bootstrap animation, and restore default settings. Here you can see no bootstrap animation is played, and the emulation is running at 2 times its normal speed. Display settings allow changes to the frame rate, the window scale factor, and effects like retro mode and its frame blend strength. As you can see in retro mode, grid lines appear, and a ghosting effect is visible for animated objects, enabling that truly authentic Game Boy experience. Themes are customizable via palettes. You can create your own palettes and modify individual palette segments using an inbuilt color picker. You can modify controls for both the UI and gameplay. Now let's test the emulation accuracy. Antboy passes numerous test ROMs, including Blarg's CPU instruction tests, as well as Mooney's MBC1 and MBC2 tests, ensuring sufficient accuracy to run many games. In games like Zelda, there are some minor graphical artifacts. Other games like Super Mario Land 2 encounter game-breaking issues such as infinite loops when entering certain modes. Most games though run smoothly, with minor imperfections. Here you can see a few examples. And that wraps up the demo for Antboy, and while there's room for improvements such as adding audio support, compatibility for more games, and fixing bugs, I'm proud of its achievements. Try Antboy for yourself on GitHub. I have linked it in the description below, and feel free to suggest any improvements or report any issues you encounter. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to develop your own exciting projects.